Ah, Governor Aketi, Governor Akeredolu ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú o. Ah, Akeredolu ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú o. Torí tó ń ṣe wá Nàìjíríà kọjá gbogbo tẹ́yìn tó wá ra wọlé yìí o. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kú. Ń tẹ́ dálẹ̀. Wàhálà ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ràn. Ṣé àwa tá ń rojọ́ pé àwọn àrò ń jẹjẹ lè fẹ́ ká bá yín settle matter yìí. Wàhálà ẹ lọ bí kankan wò ẹ kú tì. You don't dey go anywhere. You must settle this matter before you come out. Ah, Aketi, ń tẹ́ dálẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ lè lọ anywhere o. Kẹ́ ti gbọ́, ó ń gbóná ń yeruku. Ondo State House of Governorship ilé wọn báyìí. Ó ń laruku báyìí ni. Ẹ ti gbọ́ pa Aketi sick. Governor Akeredolu sick. Àmọ́ ìyàwó wọn ti bọ́ta o. Ah, ìyá fárígá, ìyá faraya, ìyá bọ́. Ìyá sọ̀rọ̀, ìyá kí. Ah, hey mama, níbo? Ní waiting. Kò sá gbọ́ ń Ghana. Ìyá jẹ́wọ́ pé still dey there. A gallant day. Mommy Akeredolu. Mommy Betty tí wọ́n contest fún senatorial kí náà contest fún jọ o. Ní Imo State. Ọmọ Igbo ni wọ́n. Wọ́n ti ní kí bẹ́ Adéòsùn Bùnmi kó fi ọkọ àwọn sílẹ̀. Wọ́n tiẹ̀ ní ó lọ ń dupò, ó ń rìn deputy lábẹ́lẹ̀ pé fẹ́ di deputy governor. So if anything bá happen sí Aketi, a lè di deputy, a lè di governor Ondo State. Kí ló ní upstairs? But my question to you, madam, I know say no dey easy to know your husband's side chick. I know. But this time around, this is not the way to treat something. Situation like this. The best way ni pé face your husband. Face your husband. Àbí ṣé ti fẹ́ kó kú ni. Àmọ́ Mr. Akeredolu ẹ lè kú o. Arákùnrin Akeredolu ẹ lè kú lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Case tó wà nílẹ̀ máa settle ẹ. Ẹ máa yanjú ẹ. A lè máa du bá ṣe máa gba Yorùbá nation. Ká tó máa wá settle case pé ìyàwó housewife àti ìta side chick wọ́n fọ́ra wọn ní gilórí. It's unacceptable. Àwa ò lè fara mọ́, àwa ò gbà. Indomie wọn lọ́jà. Ẹja wọn lọ́jà. Ìyẹn la wá ń face lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ẹ tún wá expect kan pé side ká tó máa la ìjà. Wàhálà àní lájà. You must settle this case. Wàhálà be like wait. Wàhálà be like Indomie tí wọ́n fi kerosene sí. Abeg listen, ẹ gbọ́ kan tí ìyá sọ. Ìyá sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mama.
This is Arakunrin.
Hey, ìyá wa dáadáa.
I have a message for Ademusa. And I believe that she is on this Aketi Women's platform. I don't have her number, and I don't think she's worthy of me having her number.
You can't even have her number.
I want this woman to stay away from my husband. Stop sneaking in concussion. According to her, they are from her pastors, her fake pastors, to give my husband to drink. We rely on medical care. We rely on Western style.
Madam, your husband will be our husband. You go see our husband. You don't the verse. Ọkùnrin tó bá ń ṣe ṣìnà. Àwọn tó bá gbọ́ English kó bá mi sọ ní English fún yín. Tí ò bá parẹ́, á pàyàwó lé ẹ̀. Why she no go give am concussion? Àwọn náà jọ mọ bí tán jọ dì sí. She dey couldn't defend the side there ni. You dey defend your selfish interest. And her selfish interest also. You know the deputy. Ẹni tí ò tí kú, ẹ ti fẹ́ jogún ẹ̀. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè mama.
Of medical care, and Aketi will get well. But what has triggered this very message is her recent nocturnal meetings to become the deputy governor of Ondo State. Look at you. What have you got upstairs to be the deputy governor of Ondo State? Yeah.
So, madam, wetin trigger this message be say she dey lobby to become deputy governor Now it trigger the message. Not even your husband ate. Cooking she àlàáfíà ọkọ ló trigger message yẹn. I am not supporting your husband's side chick. But your man lé akátá lọ. Kó tó wá fi àbọ̀ wá bá ẹ̀dìyẹ. Tí gí bá rẹ̀ lugi tó kí ele yan máa kọ́kọ́ yàn. You be Igbo. Me I no can hear English. Wo en tó bá gbọ́ English ẹ bá mi transfer bí translate. Ẹ já transfer nǹkan sí ọ̀kan kí ya lè bá gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ pé tí igi bá rẹ̀ lugi tó kí ẹ lè yan máa kọ́kọ́ yàn. As things they go like this, madam, if you don't know. Eléyìí ò bímọ fọ́kọ ẹ o, ìwọ ló bímọ, bàbá àwọn ọmọ ẹ ló sick. Take care of him first. Wetin trigger the message now because she won't become deputy. So if anything happen to Akeredolu, she will become the governor. Now that's what you dey fight for. Madam, you need check up. I better talk.
Peradventure, if anything happens to Aketi, Lucky takes over. It is a constitutional thing.
Can you imagine?
But for you to be scheming, I warned Aketi from the word go that this woman is evil. This woman is no good. And it is happening. She has nothing good for you. I warned you. This woman is bloody evil. But I'm warning her for the very last time to stay away from my husband. And look, if you're dealing with an Igbo woman in this kind of situation, I will deal with you mercilessly. You will never forget in your life.
Madam, this is a threat of life. Tí ẹ bá rẹ́ni bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Yes. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa fẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ tínú ẹ̀ máa dùn. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa mọ side chick ọkọ ẹ̀ tínú ẹ̀ máa dùn. But sometimes you have to treat some cases with patience. I understand you. I can feel your pain. There are some things you don't say in public. And how are you so sure? Wípé Bùnmi, Adéosùn àbí Adémọ́sù nìkan ni girlfriend ọkọ ẹ̀. Are you sure that 100% your husband don't get picking for outside? What of this thing where you talk? And one side chick, other side chick, other mother, baby mama. What of if they harm this woman or they do something? Talamamu, Talamakbe, mama. You are old enough to know better. There are some fights you don't fight in public. There are some things you don't do in public. Ìjà orogún, ìjà abẹ́, èyàn ò kí ń bọ̀ tàwọn sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ. Wo, tí àwọn agbọ̀ràn dùn. And God so good. Politician lọ́kọ ẹ̀. Politician ni Adémọ́sù. You sef you be politician. Or na get opponents. The last time you went to secretariat, you were chased out in Imo State. Madam Betty, Arabinrin Betty, the last time you went to secretariat in Imo State, if it was in contest, you were chased out with your you were all chased out of the secretariat. According security ló lé yín jáde àti en wò pa àwọn security ni, but àwọn tí ò security náà wà lára àwọn tó lé yín jáde. What of if they seek the opportunity? Láti harm woman is here long because you already said I will deal with you mercilessly because I am a Igbo woman. You want to call me Igbo woman. And what of àwọn tó kù? Táwọn ṣebí lady wọ́n wà mélòó lórí? What of àwọn tó kù tó yẹ pé they are dealing with themselves with this Betty Amosu àbí Adémọ́sù. Tí wọ́n ti bára wọn fà lábẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. They will use that opportunity to do whatever they want to do. Madam, then go hold you responsible. If anything happens to this woman now, you'll be the first suspect. And who knows? Maybe the woman herself no be your husband's side chick. Who knows? We don't know. But my advice for you be say, Madam, calm down. Mommy, calm down. calm down. I feel your pain. But me dem oyinbo agborodun. And the Bible oyinbo agborodun ba be cause comment section. If agborodun, then gba wetin you talk, then gbadun. Either from the political seat fun. And this deputy where you dey talk say this woman won't go for. No be only this woman go dey drag that post of deputy and Nigeria politicians. Una know now, Future Williams. Una know us, una dey kill on herself for post. That same party where your husband dey. Other people where they won't do deputy. Then feel now you then go home. Other parties where then go be opponents. Then feel madam, people go come for you. This woman now, if you waka, even if you then throw stone for him motor glass, people go come for you. Madam, talk, make people hear you.
For the very last time at Demosu, whatever you call yourself, stay away from Aketi. Stay away from sneaking in those concussions. Stay away this woman.
Madam, if this woman they sneak in concussion for your husband, definitely people, I don't say your husband will get ugly when they go they monitor, when they go there with him for that hospital. Definitely all those ugly, they know this woman no. Instead of you when they shout here, go sit down for your husband bed. Sit down with your husband, they look in face. So do you want to go first sneak anything, concussion, or be anything from fake pastor or original pastor? I don't know. So this woman don't go first sneak anything, come inside for your husband. If you go through, you love your husband. Father of your Abi, they don't tell you say Aketi go. I don't know. Come on, point that just for you pick baba Aketi in law. See what you would talk. If anything happen to your husband, that message she. Now that won't concern you for now. Adam, now what for you? Now what for you? There is time for everything. That is why Yoruba said, Tigibari Lugi, Okie, Lamakokongbe. You not even gbe the otoke. You dey gbe the one way they sale. And this one way they sale, he big pass the one way they okay. If you don't know, Ijabe, waiting your husband they show him. He no fit show you. Men, I beg.
You won't find it funny with me, You will never find it funny with me. You are very, very a terrible human being. Go away and go and enjoy your loot.
That place me I won't come. Go away. Go and enjoy your loot. Madam, say as you dey rope your husband. If the woman where they beside your husband, they loot, you forget say your husband are the governor. Just the way Obasanjo just said, the money where Atiku still under my governor's my presidential time. Obasanjo just said that money go feed Nigerians for the next 300 and 400 years. If Atiku can store that kind of money, that kind of amount under Obasanjo's watch, how much Obasanjo steal? If your husband side chick Amugbalegbe nínú òṣèlú can loot, madam, your husband no safe o. Gbogbo sọ̀rọ̀. Kó máa rántí ẹni tó mọ̀ gbọ́. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n pè ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n pè ní mọ̀ gbọ́. Madam, I beg, if you hear Igbo, abi you hear English, eba me cause the comment section. Whether she go feel come across this thing, she go read them. Eba me sọ fún mama pé Tigibawo Lugi tó kí ele ma yan an gbogbo sọ̀rọ̀. Kó sọ̀rọ̀ tó pé ẹ̀yin lóhùn tó bá ti jábọ́ fo báyìí. Kò kin ṣe ko mọ́. Now you say your husband side chick loot o. You go ask your husband self wetin he carry. I know this is not my real face. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. I remain myself. Stay blessed. Bye.